Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. So what is this? This is something that gets a little history involved in this little program. That's right, this, you ready? I didn't do it very well, I'm gonna try it again. Is a slapstick. That's right, just this part back here is a slapstick, just like they did in the vaudeville days and probably earlier than that. They'd take two pieces of wood, they'd attach part of it down here, cut the other, put it on a little spring hinge, and listen. Just like that. So when you look at it this way, there it goes. That's a slapstick. But what I've done is taken it one step further and made it into a sound effect. I attached this pan or pot lid, I guess it would be, and on the end of this I have a spoon. Now what could it do, you might ask? Well, those of you who have seen my show, you know, but if you haven't, here it is. Close your eyes and use your imagination. You ready? We'll try it again. Ready? One more time. Just like that. You're at the shooting gallery with those little metal targets, and then you take the little pellet gun and you shoot at the target, and it goes just like that. So the gunshot, just like that. It's a slapstick turned into a shooting gallery noise. That's right. So we've got something fun there. The slapstick is easy to make. If you want, another time I'll teach you how to make it, but it's basically very easy. You can buy them at the stores that sell music. Instruments like a Guitar Center, what have you. They have them a little skinnier, but they still do use them. So there it is, the shooting gallery. You ready? Just like that. Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time. So this one here is called a slapstick, and you're going to hold it and you're going to go like that. Okay? So try that first. Just ignore the spoon. So you're going to grip it like that. And just kind of come back, and then like you're hitting it, like you're doing a baseball. That's it. Awesome. Okay, do it again. Because you're going to be doing that. Okay, so then try it now with one hand. See if you can do it with one hand. Nice. Michael, you're going to hold that spoon in the other hand. Okay, and then when you do it, kind of do it like this, like that. Okay? Okay, so when you do that, you make that crack sound. The next thing you're going to do is do this. You're going to go, okay? So do the slap, and then do you know what you just heard? What'd you hear? A gunshot and hitting the targets, those targets you see, the little targets at a shooting gallery. Do it again, do it again. That's it. Awesome. So Michael, you're going to be a pro at this when it's time. We're going to do this later in the show, but you're my guy. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat right there. We're actually getting